How to log into Pinterest account with your Google account. If any day you're a Pinterest user and you also have a Google account and you would like to log into your Pinterest account with the help of your Google account, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to tap on the Pinterest application there. After you tap on the Pinterest, Pinterest will be launched on your mobile device. If any day you have just opened already another kind of application or if any of the other kind of account there, you have to go and you have to just log it out and tap on the option of the log out. And after you log out it, now you can see that now you can log into any of the next account. Now if here we are going to log into our very Google, we have to go to the option of the continue with Google and then tap on the option of the continue with Google there. And after that we have to tap on any of the account that we would like to log into, and after tapping on the very account, the checking info will be shown here because the info will be shown. Then we have to go to the option of next like this. After tapping on the option of the next, we also need to just enter our password here, and after tapping our password we have to go to the option of next once again, and the next interface will be shown. After the next interface will be shown, now we have to tap on all of our credentials on there, and after you tap on our credentials on that, our very Pinterest will be open from our Google account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.